You're challenging me now. To an anime sound challenge, you're challenging me.
You insult me with your presence, half-breed.
You're about 100 years too early, kid.
Today, we're doing the thing that everyone does when they watch any anime. The sound effects.
I'm going in.
Go for it.
NANI!
NANI?
NANI? My favorite one is basically, in almost also every anime, is Nandayo?
Then I follow it up with like some really wisdom type shit. You just know that that shit's about to get real. Uh-oh.
It's the fucking nose thing where you're just like I know something you don't know.
Whenever female anime characters do anything, they have to make a sound attached to it. My cat does the same thing. She's also an anime girl, but that's not the point. The point is that like it's always something that I guess it's like the equivalent of like dad grunts when dads sit down and stuff, but it's much cuter when an anime girl does it. So it's just kind of like
Hey, Cams. You are.
She wanted to make sounds too.
We keeping that in the video.
You have to sound more anime, Cams. I can't just like tell you how to do it. You have to like do it for yourself.
Have we sunk in so low that we've done kitty cat ASMR for views?
I mean, if that's what the people want, then that's what they're gonna get. Oh my gosh.
And I've caught myself doing this, which I need to stop because it's not normal. Is any kind of like fighting anime that has like a sword attached to it. It's like shit. Don't know what the fuck that sword effect is.
But are you hyped though?
I am hyped. Like anytime I'm running up that hill, I'm like, Shia! I'm like, that's literally my hypeness.
Like, yes. I think especially if you were younger and watching people make a sound for literally every movement, you would start to think that you're supposed to do that in real life. It's kind of like when you Naruto run in real life, but you're not faster.
I'm Naruto running.
Not that I've done that.
Gotta get to class. Where are you going? It's raining.
To lunch. Where's that chocolate milk?
Shit. Wait, actually, I'm doing it as a girl. Shit.
Oh, that was good.
I tried.
That was a good one.
I mean, okay, fun fact, side note, when I was younger, my brother introduced me to anime and also said that I had the voice of an anime character. So, if Hollywood is looking for a nice American girl to do some dub sounds, I'm your girl. I would love to dub all the anime, characters. I can do it. Goodbye, Jojo. Iron Reaver Soul Stealer.
Iron Reaver Soul Stealer!
Anyone? Wind Tunnel. Edit that shit out.
That's all of that stay.
No. No.
I have the final say here.
Ah! NANI?
Let us know in the comments below what your favorite anime sounds are. If you've ever done them in public, if you've ever regretted it.
Fighting evil by moonlight. With the moonlight. Sailor Scouts. I forgot the fucking words. She is the one named Sailor. Sailor Mercury. Oh,
Sailor Mars.
Sailor Jupiter. Secret powers are so good for them. She is the one named Sailor Moon. She is the one named Sailor Moon. She is the one. Sailor Moon. Is that copyright?